Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to you and your families. And I just wanted to thank each and every one of you for every bit of support over the 2023 year. I appreciate every like, every kind comment, and every subscription. Your support means the world to me, and I just wanted to thank you, and I wish you an amazing 2024. So today's video is a review as well as what fits inside the Antigona. This is in the size small, and it's by fashion house Givenchy. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. So if you've seen my what I got for Christmas video, then you have already seen this gorgeous bag that my husband got me for Christmas. And I thought I'd go ahead and share a little bit of information about this stunning bag. So this is the Antigona. It is super structured. It is in this gorgeous kind of calfskin full grain leather. It is so beautiful. This is in the color taupe. It does kind of seem to be a little bit more on the gray side than the taupe side, just in my opinion, although it is just such a beautiful neutral, which is part of why I went for this color. I just feel like it is a year-round bag for me. It's definitely a big bag. So even though it is considered the size small, it is anything but small in my opinion. So it does have a smaller bag than this called the Mini, and I love that so much. And I may in the future have to pick that up in a different color. But for now, I am completely excited to have this gorgeous size small. It is definitely big enough for a work bag, an everyday bag, definitely a mom bag, which is what I plan on using this for. So I will say that this is one of those timeless classic chic styles that, while it's been around by the Givenchy brand since 2010, it has somewhat stood the test of time. It's still very popular. I continue to see new colors come out. It has different sizes, different leathers, and they're just continuing to reinvent what works. And this bag is classic chic. It definitely works. And I'm so excited to have this bag in my collection. It is absolutely stunning. And I'm going to share a little bit of what I love about this bag. So first off, it's super structured. It's also a really good size. So the dimensions of this bag are 11 inches in length, 9.5 inches in height, and it is 4.25 inches deep. So if you look carefully, you'll see it has the most beautiful and intricate stitching all the way around, which I love. Everything about this fashion house pays so much attention to detail. I feel like they really do a great job with this bag. So it also has Givenchy in gold lettering embossed in the leather. It's super beautiful and chic. I feel like it's one of those bags that is not a in-your-face logo bag, but if you know, you know. This sort of trapezoidal shape is a dead giveaway. If you are a bag lover, you're gonna know this is a Givenchy. And if you're not into the large logos on your bag, this is so elegant. And I love everything about this bag. It is super structured. The handles are also very structured, and it is just the most beautiful full grain leather bag, which is part of why this is a very heavy bag. So it is entirely made out of leather, and that's why it is so heavy. But I just feel like that just kind of reiterates the quality of this bag, that it's a little bit heavy and hefty. It's not a lightweight bag by any means, but it's not overly heavy either. I feel like it is just stunning. So it is an amazing bag to wear as a crook of the arm bag. It's obviously a great top handle bag, which is how I love to carry this. And it has this amazing full grain leather strap. It is 14 inches in length, so a good sized shoulder bag. It fits nicely under my arm. These do not cut into my underarm at all, and I'm able to wear this with a coat. I have tried it on with all of my coats and it fits perfectly. No issues there. I'm not going to have an issue with any chunky sweaters or any coats I plan on wearing with this bag. So I absolutely love the gold hardware. It is super chunky and super substantial. It has the Givenchy logo embossed in the gold hardware there. So there is a love-hate relationship with this zipper pull. I know the older models of this bag have a leather zipper pull, which is pretty, but I absolutely love this chunky gold zipper pull. So the only negative of it is that you can see all the fingerprints. So if that bothers you, something to consider. So I feel like this zipper is so chunky and beautiful. It just adds a little bit more edginess to the bag, which otherwise it's just a classic, chic, elegant, simplistic bag. And this zipper just kind of adds a little bit of oomph to the bag, a little bit of style, and this chunky zipper is just lovely. So it does have this removable strap, and it is not adjustable at all. So you cannot use this as a crossbody bag, but to be honest, the bag is so large, I can't imagine anyone wanting to use this as a crossbody bag. It's just, it would be too heavy and I think uncomfortable. So this is easy to get on and off. And I have heard on other reviews that sometimes it just slips off without warning. So I will let you know if that happens to me. I have not used this yet. I'm about to put all the things in here so I can show you what fits. But first I wanted to go ahead and show you the bag. So it does have these leather feet tabs on the bottom. Somewhat disappointing. They aren't metal feet because, let's be honest, metal feet are awesome. It protects your bag, but it's not a deal breaker. I will not hold it against the brand. I feel like it is such a stunning bag. It's so beautiful. So the interior of the bag is kind of a linen interior. So it is light, so that's great for trying to find your items. And then right there, there's a large zipper. Easily you can fit your phone in there. And it does say made in Italy and Givenchy. And then on this side, there is this beautiful large slip pocket. And that is also made out of leather. So really well done on the interior of this bag. Now, because it is so super structured, you do not need an organizer at all. But because I'm a little bit type A, I need an organizer because I really want to protect this bag. I am not the kind of person who uses a bag for a few years and tries to resell it. I am usually a classic kind of bag lover, and it's usually a bag that I know I'm going to keep forever, and this is that bag. So I definitely want to make sure to protect the interior. So I'm going to go ahead and put a bag organizer inside my bag. So I did have this one that I had picked up from Amazon. I can always link this for you below if you're interested in this, but I'm just going to go ahead and put this in here for you so you guys can kind of see what that looks like. So now I have heard that this opening is tight, and I can understand that. It reminds me a lot of the Speedy bandolier in the 25, which I have right here because I have been using the heck out of this bag. And I do have an unboxing video of this. I love this bag so much. Zero regrets. Again, another classic bag that I will have in my collection forever. I love this so much. But I also heard a lot of negativity about the fact that this is hard to get in and out of. Honestly, I have not had an issue getting in and out of this bag. It just seems to kind of soften and become more malleable the more I use it. I'm hoping that is the case with this bag, that over time, this is going to be a little bit easier to get in and out of. And I think it probably will relax a little bit and make it a little bit easier to get my things. For now, it's brand new and it is going to be a little bit on the tight side. I'm okay with that. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting some stuff in here so you can kind of have an idea. I'm really excited to change into it and use it. So let's get started. So of course I'm going to begin with my Louis Vuitton Clements wallet. This is in the monogram print, and can't leave home without a wallet. So there we have that. Fits beautifully. Now I will say that if you did not put the organizer in, I just feel like you would be able to fit even more. Because anytime you put an organizer in, it's just taking up more space because it is a thick felt. So it's taking away a little bit of that room. So just keep that in mind. If you don't care about an organizer, you're going to be able to fit even more in this bag. So next I have my little pochette that I got with my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. I love this little pouch. It's so versatile and convenient. I just have my car keys in here. I have my phone charger that I can't leave home without, as well as my AirPods, and those all fit in there perfectly. And so I'll add this to my bag, just like that. So I am very much a pouch kind of girl. I love things to be organized. I love to know that when I pull out a pouch, I know exactly what is in it. So there's that one. And next I have this little Dior pouch that I got in a set. I want to say during the Nordstrom anniversary sale, I got some Dior mascara and a lipstick, I believe, and this cute pouch came with it. So I do have a powder. I have a hand cream, especially this time of year. I really need it. Now this is a lip balm by Sarah Hap. It is my favorite. I will put this on at night before bed and it just makes my lips so soft the next day. It is thick and goopy though, so keep that in mind if you're not into that. This is my travel size Brit for Her by Burberry. It smells divine. And that's my little travel one. And then I always carry some sort of lip gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty Ice, and it's super shiny and juicy on the lips. I just love it so much. So that's what's in this little makeup pouch. And I'm just going to stick that in there. I also have my sunglass case. I did pick up a new pair of sunglasses, but they are in my car right now. So I'm just going to use the ones that I have here for now. And then I also can put my card holder, and I'll probably put that in this little side pocket. That's nice and convenient for my organizer. And then I'm also going to add my Saturday Skin. This is my hand sanitizer, and this easily fits also in the pocket right here of my organizer. So again, there you have it. Now this bag is getting heavy, just so you know. So this is my phone case, and I would put it on this side. I have more pockets, so I would just put that there for easy access. And then I also want to add a few lipsticks in this cute little pouch I also got for Christmas. And if you have not seen my what I got for Christmas video, I will link it for you guys up in the eye. But I did want to share, this is the MAC lipstick set in the luster glass that I got. And I ended up picking this up for myself before Christmas. And I decided to give it to my mom because she loves MAC and she loves the luster glass. And I got it for a really good deal. I want to say around $50. So I gave it to her for Christmas and she loved it. Well, after Christmas, I ended up going on the Nordstrom website and it was still available and it was still on sale for $50. So I went ahead and picked this one up. It just came a few days ago. And so I wasn't able to share this on my what I got for Christmas video, but I thought I'd just show you real quick in case you're interested. It is not sponsored in any way, but I just thought it was so beautiful. I wanted to share this with you. The packaging is stunning, you guys. So I was really glad that I went ahead and picked this up. It is still available. I checked this morning at Nordstrom. Like I said, it's still on sale for, I want to say, about $50. So if you're into luster glass lipsticks, which I am, especially this time of year, I just thought this was so beautiful. But anyway, I wanted to put a few of these lipsticks in here. So I'm just going to take a couple of these out. So you do get 5 lipsticks, which if it's $50, I mean, that's only $10 a lipstick. I mean, not bad. I love the luster glass. I just feel like they're super creamy. They're super flattering. And I'm just going to go ahead and put these in here so I can try out my new lipsticks, which I'm so excited I went ahead and got. So there we have that. So just going to put that in there. And there are all the things. So this bag is absolutely stunning. I love it so much. Oh, I did forget to mention that this strap is so amazing in the sense that it does turn 360 degrees. And the reason for that is it just never gets twisted, which I think is just genius in my opinion. I hate when my straps get twisted like that. So this rotation just makes sure that it never gets tangled up or twisted, which I think is such an amazing design. Obviously, Givenchy is a luxury brand and they do things right. And that's why we have this gorgeous handbag that I'm absolutely in love with. I can link this for you guys down in the description box in case you're interested in this bag. I want to say it costs $2,390. Not a cheap bag, but definitely a classic chic, beautiful, everyday bag. And I feel like it is so beautiful, so chic, and one I'm going to be loving and enjoying for many, many years to come. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful. And if it was, please go ahead and like this video. And I would love it so much if you'd go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love to see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.